Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can use a image as a link in HTML. So first of all, let's go and use this image. We'll show the image in HTML. So here I am going to use the image tag, and in the source we are going to say the image name, which is image3.jpg, and let's also mention the image height and width. Let's say width it will be 300 and height it will be 200. If we now save this and open it in a browser, there you can see we have the image. And what we want is that when you click on this image, it will take us to another page. So for it, what we are going to do is, here we are going to mention an anchor tag. And inside this anchor tag, we are going to keep this image. And let's say when we click on this image, we are to go to the youtube.com. So let me just go to the YouTube. And let me just copy the link from here. Then what I am going to do is that I am going to paste the YouTube link over here, which we just copy from here. Okay. And you need to paste it with the HTTPS as well. So right now we need to save it. And if we now refresh here, and then if we now click on this image, it will take us to the youtube.com. So let's just go back. And let's say when you click on this image, we want to open the youtube.com in different tabs. So for it, what we can do is that in this anchor tag, we're going to set here target, it will be _flag. So right now, if we just refresh here and click on this image, there you can see it open in a new tab. So let's say we want to go to different pages within the HTML, not to a google.com or youtube.com. So here what we are going to do is, we are going to create a new .html file. So I'll just right click, then click new file, and here the file name will be, let's say hello.html. Let's save this. Here we are going to say simple HTML, and we are going to say here, hey, I am new page. And let's just keep it inside the h1 tag. h1 tag opening and h1 tag closing. So right now what we are going to do is that in the h shape, instead of mentioning this URL, we are going to mention this hello.html. So we just click to send here hello.html. If we now save this, refresh here, then click on the image, it opened hello.html. You can see I am a new page. And if you want to open it in the same page, then just remove the target blank from here and then save it. And let's just do one thing is that in the hello.html, let me just show an image here. Image, and in the image, we're going to show this image sharp on.jpg. And let's just also make this image clickable as well. So let's mention the anchor tag. In the anchor tag, we're going to send here the image tag, and for the h tag, we're going to say index.html, which is this page. So we are going to say index.html. So we should also mention the height and width. In the set here, width it will be 300 and height it will be 200. Save. Let me refresh here, click on the image, it will take us to this page. If we click on this image, it will take us to this page. So this is how you can use image as a link in HTML. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.